In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a demo account in MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing you have to do, you want to open this navigator over here on the left. If it's not showing for you by default, go to View top left and click on Navigator over here. You could also press Ctrl+N on your keyboard to actually show it, okay? So from here, you want to go into Accounts, and here you'll find MetaQuotes Demo, inside which you can basically find your demo account. So if I extend this, as you can see, I have a bunch of different ones. So I can just go and select whichever one I want to delete. Now, you must make sure you're not actually signed in with your demo account if you want to delete it, so you have to sign in with a different one to be able to delete one that you are not logged in with. So essentially, you can't be logged into the account you want to delete, and that's it. So I'm going to click on this first one and then right click, and it says delete. So when you click delete, there we go, it says, do you want to delete it? Click on yes, and that's all you have to do. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.